Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Bitfinex Trading App. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitfinex application on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, tap on the login button at the top. This will then take you into the login page. Now you can log in using your email address or your username. And you also have the option to log in using your API key. You can scan your QR code or enter your API key manually. If you choose the email option, just enter the email address or username that you have set while creating your account. And now type in the account password that you have set underneath. In case you have forgotten your password, you can always tap on Forgot Password to reset your credentials. Now, once you tap on the login button, you will need to enter the 6-digit code from the Google Authenticator app. So just check with the Google Authenticator app and you will find your code. Once you enter the code and proceed forward, you can now enter your preferred 4-digit PIN for your account. Just type in your desired PIN and type it in once again for confirmation. And now you have successfully logged in to your existing account on Bitfinex. You can continue trading and have access to your previous funds as well. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your existing account on the Bitfinex app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.